Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very simple blanket with two patterns, namely alpine stitch and granny pattern. Last year I crocheted the similar blanket with the same two patterns, but here was one pattern on wall side, and today I will change these patterns every 5 rounds. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. For this video I use thicker acrylic yarn, but you can use any yarn, and we need matching crochet hook. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the ring, now chain 3, 3 double crochet in the ring, and 3, again chain 3, 3 double crochet in the ring, and 3, again chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the ring. Now pull yarn and close the ring and chain 1 and 1 half double crochet in this stitch. Yarn over, pull yarn and through all 3 loops. Now round 2, chain 3. From now on I crochet always chain 3 on the begin, 2 double crochet in the hole, on this side I will crochet granny pattern. Now chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next hole, chain 3, on this side I will crochet alpine stitch, 2 double crochet in the hole, one double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in this middle stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the hole, chain 3, granny pattern, 3 double crochet in the hole, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next hole, chain 3, and on this side alpine stitch, 2 double crochet in the hole, one double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the middle stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the hole, chain 1 and half double crochet in this third stitch. Now looks like this: round 3, chain 3, 2 double crochet in this hole, together with chain stitches I have 3, again chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, it was 3 times, now chain 3, this side with alpine stitch, 2 double crochet in the hole, and now here I crocheted front post double crochet. In this round I will crochet here normal double crochet, and here front post, normal, front post. Always change the stitches. Front post double crochet, normal double crochet, front post, and normal. In the next stitch front post, normal, in the last stitch front post, and in the hole 2 double crochet, and again chain 3, on this side granny pattern, and on this side the same like here. At the end chain 1 and half double crochet in this third stitch, round 4, chain 3, on this side granny pattern, and I show you one more time this alpine stitch, chain 3, on the side with alpine stitch, always on the begin 2 double crochet in the hole, and here I crocheted front post. Now I will crochet normal, front post, normal, 1 normal double crochet in the first stitch, front post, and normal, and always change the stitches. I crochet this round and then round number 5, and then I will show you how to change the patterns. I crocheted 5 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now on this side I will crochet alpine stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the hole, together I have 2 like by alpine stitch, and now here ein front post double crochet in the first stitch, normal double crochet in the next stitch, and front post double crochet in the next stitch, and in the hole 1 double crochet, and again front post, double crochet, and front post. in the hole 1 double crochet. This repeats to the here. At the end 2 double crochet in the hole, and 2, chain 3, and on this side I will crochet granny pattern, 3 double crochet in the hole, chain 1, now skip 3 stitches and 3 double crochet in the next stitch, and 3, chain 1, again skip 3 stitches, 3 double crochet in the next stitch, and this repeats to the here, and here in the hole 3 double crochet, and here again chain 3. On this side I will crochet alpine stitch, on the begin 2 double crochet, and here front post double crochet, normal double crochet, front post normal to the here, and on this side the granny pattern like here, and I see you on the end of round. You can crochet so many rounds how many you want, always every 5 rounds change the pattern. For this video I will crochet together only 10 rounds, but in the last round, if you want 35, 40, 45, in the last round I crochet here and here on the corner only chain 2, and then I will show you how you can crochet border. I have 10 rounds. For this pattern is enough, but if you want you can crochet so many rounds how many you want. And in this last round here I crocheted only 2 chain stitches, and I finish round chain 1, and in this third stitch I crochet 1 single crochet. Now I will show you how you can crochet the border. From now on I crochet only chain 2, and in the first stitch I crochet front post double crochet, in the next stitch back post double crochet, and again front post double crochet and back post double crochet, and this repeats to the end of round. In the last stitch front post double crochet, in the hole 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet, and on this side front post double crochet in the first stitch, back post double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the hole, and again front post, back post, front post. This repeat to the here, and then on this side start again with the front post, and this repeat to the end of round. Last double crochet in the hole, chain 1, and finish round with the single crochet in this second stitch. And now round 2 from the border, chain 2, and here I start with the back post double crochet, and here in the front post double crochet I crochet front post, in back post I crochet back post, and again front post and back post. This repeat to the end of round and is good if you crochet 3, 5 or 7 round from the border. Then finish work with the slip stitch and the blanket is finished. If you have more rounds, then looks blanket better. And it was for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.